All right, guys, we're up here in Iron Mountain. This is Michigan, actually. So we're going to be doing some avionics upgrades on the Cardinal. She flew nice up here. It's nice, crispy cold out today. It's about 0 degrees. So we're going to get our stuff and get a rental car and get moving back home. Co-pilot Andrew there has been testing out the 911 system around the state. And he got to see Lambeau Field from the air. We got some good shots of that. So other than that, we're gonna pack her up and drive back to Kenosha, and they'll have this plane for a couple 3 weeks, and hopefully we'll have some good updates. We'll take you inside here because this could be the last time you see it like this. So we've currently got all steam gauges, got an old 430 and an old radio. We're replacing these with G5s. New 650 XI, new radio here, Garmin radio. Taking out the vacuum system, just making it a better plane for us. So